Hello, good morning, good day, my friend and my subscriber. So today, we are cooking papaitan. Yes, meron tayong meat, 2 kilos, and
Hey
mga
guys,
gulay, chili,
welcome back my vlog, Randy
and
Vlog. So today,
garlic,
magluluto tayo ng
onion, and ginger.
papaitan. Simple
So,
papaitan.
and also
1
papaitan
kilo
powder.
meat
So, okay, so
and
let's go
ginger
to start this cooking for today.
and garlic,
Right.
onion,
Yes.
and some
So, nakita nyo na ang mga
green
panakot
and red
or
pepper.
very simple papaitan soup only. Okay?
And
So that's why
papaitan powder. Okay?
I'm living in the Europe in
So very
Athens,
simple
Greece.
lang.
So that's why I don't have some ingredients here. So what we have, I cook this.
Okay, first prepare water for boil. So, I prepare this. Handa natin para magkulo. Ilagay natin ang karne or put the meat inside the water boil. Okay? Okay guys. Ilagay na natin ang karne. Right? Yan. And need to boil and then after that slowly. Okay, it's boiling now we put ilagay natin ang luya or ginger. Yes. Then peppercorn. Close or slowly, dandahan. Okay, lagay natin ang sibuyas, put onion.
Sa papaitan powder. Alright. Then close.
So ilagay natin ang sili, green sili.
Put now all the grains,
Sili.
wow. So to boil it in 3 minutes, after that, and ready na. Yes, it's ready. Yes, time.
Guys, ready your soup. Wow.
Yummy.